everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started!
Singable Words!
The word is
ascend.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Ascend is to go up or climb. The antonyms are to fall or decline.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Arise, escalate, lift.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Drop, descend, decrease.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the balloon go to school? To ascend to the top of the cloud. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
The kite will ascend higher and higher into the sky.
Let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
I like Singable Words because it has funny jokes in it. It teaches a lot of kids, and I like the songs. Singable Words!